Yo, stocks 5150. It is Sunday night, and I think I got my streaming platform up, and so I'm just gonna talk a little bit, man. Stocks are crazy, We're gonna talk about my thoughts on what's going on with the stock market and what I expect for this week in trading. Honestly, I'll probably keep it. I probably won't trade as much as I normally do, and the reason being is because the Federal Reserve will be talking this week, coming back out. Jerome Powell will be making an appearance, and I think that's going to be on Wednesday. And well, like I know, I mean, you could YOLO it. You can buy a put and sell a call, or sell a call and buy a put, or buy both puts and calls, or do straddles and strangles and things like that, man. And try and play both sides and see what happens. But I have learned that it's best just to wait and see. And that's recently, because I'm down in some positions right now. Like if I went to my account and showed you, I'm down like almost 600 on something. Just like a hope, like I hope that we have a Santa Claus rally and that SPY gonna take off. Well, as we can see, we look at this chart. That hasn't happened, right? I mean, we go back. Yeah, the market is up, true, but right now in the short term, I bought this put. I bought this call like 3 months ago. And you'd be like, oh, well, you're up. But for whatever reason, it's negative, that position. Because when I purchased it, I believe that premiums were running high. And I think I did it like right before the election, which, I guess that's a lesson learned. Probably in the future, if I do it, I should do it maybe 2 weeks out or the week before. Let's see if I can capitalize on that if we have a Santa Claus rally this year. Because word has it that we might not have one. Word has it that Nvidia may spoil the party, may ruin the party for everybody. You never know. I mean, but we're doing a little slight pullback right now. Like let's zoom that out. That's a doji. This is on the daily. That's a doji, but it's red. 2 days of dojis, 2 doji days. 2 doji days. So that the market doesn't know what it wants to do. And like I said, it's holding its breath, waiting on Jerome J. Powell to make a decision, well, at least to say what he thinks, and then they'll go into it. But I mean, overall, we're up. So if people with profit taking some money right now, I mean, why not? It's the end of the year, and with it being the end of the year too, you're gonna have like coming up a little sell off, a little tax loss harvesting, and I think the big funds, they do whatever they do when they move money around and everything. I mean, I'm not an expert, man. All I do know is I should have waited on that play that I jumped in, and maybe I wouldn't be down so far. But it's all good. You live and you learn, and you never lose. You just learn. You know what I'm saying? So like right now, we're sitting in the after hours, and the S&P is at 6,051. Nasdaq is running up. That's because of XLC is keeping that up, I'm assuming. I mean, it's up like $23 right now. And this S&P is not doing much at all. It's just flat. And VIX is 13, so that's a good thing. Small caps still down, and small caps is what's gonna. If small caps run up, that'll really make it a Santa Claus rally into the year end. We got, what is today? Today is the 15th, so we still got 15 more days. So it could happen. It could happen. I mean, 15 days is a lot can happen. All you really need is 3 or 4 good days, and you can make some money. You have a good day here, good day there, good day there. You made your money. Look at that. You could have started here on that doji. Boom. Had a good day. Market runs up. Excellent. That was, what was that? December 20th? No, that's November 20th. So if you would have went into the market on November 20th and you'd be on this run up, you would be up right now, depending on what it is you purchased. because I'm really certain that I'm down still. I don't even know when I purchased that, but I know that this 625 call that I'm in, I'm at a negative $690. No bueno. That's not really good. But I got 14, 15, 15, 16 days. 16 days, and anything can happen, especially in the stock market. But I purchased that at 0.65, 0.66, so 66 bucks. And now it's down to 13 now. Chances of the S&P 500 going up that high is possible. Anything is possible today, and we shall see. Truthfully, when I should have sold this stuff is after the inauguration. I mean, not the inauguration, after the election, when everything was going crazy. I should have just cashed out then. I mean, I was up like 100% on that. So, but that's on me. I was holding up. I was trying to stay true to my little thesis. You know what I'm saying? One of my coworkers even said, he said, "Why don't you just take the profits now and then just go back in?" That man is a smart man, but I didn't do that. I was like, no, 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 no. I'm gonna wait because yeah, this is gonna work out. We can see how that worked out, right? So far. I mean, I ain't kicking myself too hard. My Tesla play January 17th, 25, 600 call. That's working out pretty good. That's up almost 200%, almost 100%. So got that at 191 and it's at 450. So yeah, yeah, yeah. It's up a little bit more. And that's good. And so I mean, I can't complain. It's been a good year. So as far as trades, options goes. And something I'll say, I started doing this. I'm gonna trade in my brokerage account, my options, and my Roth. I'm just gonna invest. But I'm gonna invest heavy in SDHD and XLE. Those two positions right there. That's what the plan is. And why? Why not trade in the Roth? Well, give me some tax losses, tax write-offs, and I really want to go in. I want to build this account up. I would like to get this account to 20K. I would like to get my brokerage account up to 20K by 2025, the end of 2025. And is that possible? God's will, yes, that is. And I want to do it. I'm gonna have to invest some money. I mean, I'm not gonna lie and say I'm gonna trade my way up. I'll trade if I can trade halfway up and maybe slide 10 in. Hey, that's what's up. But all I need is a couple good days. Couple good days. You never know. It could work out. We're gonna see. We're gonna stay focused though, and one step at a time, one trade at a time. Yeah. So, all right. SP 500 starting to show green now in the futures market. It's up 0.05%. This is good. It's moving. It's moving. And the VIX is running up a little bit too. So the 16. That's not good. Mixed signals there. But we'll see how it goes. I mean, it's only, what time is it? It's only 2100, so we got 8 hours. No, we got 12 hours before it really matters. 12 and a half hours before it really matters. A lot can happen. A whole lot can happen, man. It's the global economy we in. Like I say, stocks 5150. Stocks are crazy because it can make you crazy if you let it. It's a beautiful thing, though. I want to see how Tesla's going to do. Look at that. That trend right there. That doesn't even make sense, does it? But then if I go down to the 3 day, I think that's a 5 minute trend. It kind of held on to 1 minute too. Let's see what the 5 minute. There it is. But I may have drawn that out for the hour. Yeah. Yeah, what's going on for this? I don't know. Maybe I did an hour. 15 minutes. Not certain. Either way, it's nowhere near breaking that trend, breaking it down. Shout out to Tory Trades because she makes money doing that, but she's using big dollars though. I mean, I'm on the baby money, man. I mean, if she's trading futures, it'd be cool to trade futures. Be a futures trader one day. You know, be making some money for real. I think it can happen. All I gotta do is just keep doing what I'm doing. So that's in the 5 minute right there. I'll just move something that I didn't need to move. Yeah, I moved my high. Put this back down where it was. All right, that's my green. That's the high of the high. Tesla broke it. And look at this, just sliding right across the top too, man. This is crazy. Yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I'll wait, bring this down a little bit. There it is. Yeah. This week right here, some people don't even count that. Like when it's in post-market, I mean, it's just like, I would like to know what that means. Like if that's like the algos or what, you know, or if they like, what do they call it? Where they knocking off people's stop losses? I mean, this is in after hours, at least when that happened, but still, I wonder what that means. I wonder, like, what's the best way to do trend line trades? Like, I know I can look at YouTube. You just draw one line to the next, right? Just draw a line. So, like, pick this low right here. Do I use the wick or do you not use the wick? So if I don't use the wick, and I just bring it here, then that's that area right there. So zoom out, let's see what that looks like. Yeah, that's the trend. Or I put a wing here, and you do it up, you go right here. You can say, that's a trend. I really don't understand it. All right, so we can make that one come up a little bit more. They're a little grabbing the wrong things. They're trend. Yeah, I don't know, man. That one, delete that. Pretty much when I trade, I do support and resistance. I mean, trends look cool and everything, but I don't know. And I don't really stay in nothing long enough. Let me not talk about what I don't know about. So I'll just be quiet. I know that Tesla's sitting up here at the top right now, so probably gonna pull back depending on what Jerome Powell says. And when Jay Powell talks tomorrow, oh man, Bitcoin just hit 105K 2 hours ago, y'all. So Tesla's gonna be running up. Wow. Bitcoin, super micro, he's gonna be running up. Dang, that's crazy. Now it's above 106. Who's buying Bitcoin? What is this? They say on strategic. Oh, because they're talking about Bitcoin surges above 106 on strategic reserves. So DJT talking about making 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 Bitcoin like a real live currency, yo, like F the dollar. Yeah. So they're gonna apply tariffs with the dollars, and then we're gonna use Bitcoin as our reserve. Since I mean, it makes sense because we don't base the dollar on nothing anyway. You know what I'm saying? Like the dollar ain't gold. It ain't been based on gold since what, the 70s or something. So if you base it on Bitcoin, it kind of makes sense. I knew this was gonna happen. It's crazy because as far as Bitcoin goes, I mean, I wish I would have bought it like back when my cousin told me to get it back in 2017, but I didn't. And but it was like Bitcoin was the thing that everybody was like, okay, well, screw the man, and I don't want to be dealing with the man, and it's decentralized, and they can't do this, and they can't do that, and it's payments and trust and all this stuff between peer to peer, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, so then somebody got arrested because he was, running the game up. You know what I'm saying? And so they took him down. Before they did that, they put Coinbase in. Coinbase got on the stock exchange. That was when I knew it was going to be the end for us. This decentralized stuff. I'm like, oh man. Once they got on the S&P 500, that's it. I mean, that's it. That's the bank. That's it. Big money got it now. I was never one that I don't operate on the outside. I'm like, hey, whatever's going on is what I'm with. So I mean, I would buy a little bit of Bitcoin, but I wasn't into Bitcoin because I needed to hide like some kind of secret transactions or whatever. I mean, I don't care if they took a dollar away tomorrow and went to a cashless society. That really won't bother me that much. I mean, there's some people that's biblically they're afraid because market of beast, et cetera, et cetera. But stay prayed up. I don't worry about that stuff like that. And truthfully, I don't spend dollars. I use my card for everything anyway. So it'll be the same thing. So whatever our reserve currency is or is based on, so be it. Whether it's paper, we're on a fiat currency anyway, or Bitcoin. I mean, that's what's up. I did read too that they're gonna have Bitcoin gonna be worth like 800,000 in a few years. So I mean, so oh look, check this out. This falls in line with what Putin said. Uh, Putin said earlier this month that questioned that the need to hold state reserves in foreign currencies, saying the domestic investment of such reserves was more attractive. Putin said the current U.S. administration was undermining the role of the U.S. dollar as a reserve currency. Yeah, using it for political purposes. Yeah. Bitcoin, who can prohibit it? No one, Putin said. You know. But then you got Jay Powell said that Bitcoin, Bitcoin to go earlier this month, and people are not using it as a form of payment or as a store of value. It's highly volatile. It's not a competitor for the dollar. Either way, put your money where you want to put your money, man. If you want to buy gold and have bricks hiding in the, hiding bricks, get it gold, but not bricks, gold bricks. If you want to buy gold and have your gold stashed off somewhere, put your money in, what's it called? Art. You could do that. You could buy real estate. You could do what you want. Like, I mean, it really don't matter at the end of the time, end of the day. Whether or not you can provide for your family or not, So back to these charts, man. What I'm thinking is going to happen with Tesla tomorrow is probably going to pull back, even though it's up right now. I don't know, man. Next level, what are we at? Let me be for real. We are at 430, 436. Oh, yeah. We're going to hit 440 easy tomorrow. Easy. We might even hit 445. Tesla stay if it stays up above 330 like it is right now, we're gonna hit 440 and keep going. Blue sky, man, blue sky. I mean, like literally, it could really happen. Yeah, definitely. If it comes and hits that, that'll be support. That's tight right there. That's 434, and then it builds up. Cause it moves $6 to $10, so that's easy money right there. So definitely gonna be in calls tomorrow on Tesla. You know, see how it goes. Yeah. So what else we got? Let's look at something. I did me a watch list. And so watching. That's my bonds. That's in my 401k. And then total market, Schwab total market, XLK. This is how much the percent change we are up for the year. So if you were to just put your money in Schwab total market in a total market fund, that's up 28%. XLK is up 30%. Square is up 67%. PayPal is up 63%. SPLG, which is based on the S&P 500 ETF, is up 29%. XLE is up 12%. That's energy. And SCSD is up 12%. Interestingly enough, those are the two that I've been investing in heavy on my Roth. more for future play, for income for the future, because they both pay dividends, and I can make the dividends in the Roth, and that money could be tax free when it's time to take it out. Amazon is up 57%, and Neo, that's my China play, up 24%. Even though Neo is only at $4, that's crazy. Man, it was great. It was going crazy back in 2020. Neo was. S&P 500 SPY is up 29%. Tesla is up. You ready for this? 214%. That's a big dog right there, man. That dog big. He ain't even playing. Tesla. Elon is making all the money, man. Making all the money, calling all the shots. I, I'm, I'm, I mean, I get it. They're gonna probably shut some social programs down. Maybe I don't know what's gonna happen with the government, man. I do know that there's gonna be some money made in the stock market. At least the next. I was thinking that the market was gonna pull back, better cycle stuff like in 2027 is what I was saying. I still hold to that. So I think these next 2 years, the euphoria of just, you know, the team that he done built up in there, just them, doing what they're gonna do. They're gonna run shop and wreck shop for like first 2 years, and then I think reality might hit us in the face as a country. And then, so 2026, 2027, 2027, 2027, yeah. Late 2026, 2027, early, things is gonna be, you're gonna need to be like having your coins together. But I'm here for this next year. Why not? You know, I definitely ain't moving abroad. I know a lot of people going to Ghana and all these other places, man. But I mean, I get it. But you're still using, you take your American money and you go overseas, and your American money goes farther, I suppose. But now you're overseas, and let's just say I don't know nothing about Ghana. I don't know nothing about none of them places. But what if one tribe gets mad at the next tribe, and then next thing you know, you caught up in the middle of something. You don't even know the rules. Like you don't know how things work over there. Nothing. The next thing you know, well, again, I ain't gonna talk about things I don't know. But I'm gonna stay here and deal with. Sorry, I'm trying to do something. I'm gonna stay here and deal with what I'm dealing with. Go to work, come home. Go to work, come home, man. Just call it. There you go. You ain't trying to do nothing special or magical. You know what I'm saying? No need doing nothing special or magical. I was trying to reroute my power cord. Man, all right, yo. Stocks 5150. I'm getting ready to go eat, and then I'm going to sleep, man. So peace out. Good luck on your stock market stuff tomorrow. Like I said, everything is up. I mean, it's really everything is up. My investments to watch. This is what I got in my portfolio. I'm up 12%, 12%, 57% on Amazon. Neo is up 24%, and Tesla's up 214. I don't have Tesla. I just trade options on Tesla. But it's okay. I don't have that anymore either. Um, so our total market, I don't have that either. I think I transferred all that over to SPLG. But those are the ones I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna watch that, keep an eye on it, just so I know how the total market is doing. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much what I'm doing with that, just keeping an eye on things and seeing how it goes. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this stream right here, man. Y'all be safe. Enjoy yourself next week, man. Stay focused. Remember, Jay Powell will be speaking on Wednesday, and don't fight the Fed is all I can say. And when we got the wild card, it's gonna be tight, man, because we got the Santa Claus rally potential. We got Jay Powell speaking for sure. We got DJT and Elon doing what they're gonna do. I mean, Joe Biden making moves. I know it. I'm pretty certain of it. But it's coming, man. You just gotta be ready, man. And I'm here for it. Stocks 5150, man. Stocks are crazy. We out. Peace.